Section 11.3 is charting a budget. We are going to refer to, fix the page number for me, 685, number 4, which is off to the right hand side. Use the pie chart of monthly entertainment budget. Suppose $600 was budgeted. Determine the exact amount for each category. So we are looking at this chart right here. Okay, so it breaks it down into concert, summer vacation, weekend trip, day trip, movie rental. Add up all those percentages, you'll equal 100%. So we need to figure out what cost is for each thing. So for example, concerts are 20%, so you're going to do $600. You would do 600 times 0.20, and that'll give you $120. Movie rental, you're going to take $600 times 0.10, which gives you $60. Day trip, $600 times 0.10, same thing, $60. Weekend trip, $600 times 0.20 is $120, and summer vacation, $600 times 0.40 is $240. Part B, suppose $72 was budgeted for day trips. What would the total amount budgeted for entertainment? So you take $72 and you're divided by 10% or 0.10. We're working backwards here. So instead of multiplying, we got to divide. So 72 divided by 0.10 gives you $720 budgeted for day trips. Suppose $310 is budgeted for summer vacation fund. What would be the total amount budgeted for entertainment? So $310 divided by 0.40, because summer vacation was 40%, gives you $775 total budget for entertainment. Number 2, we are not going to do, so cross that one out, please. Number 3 is referring to page 686, number 8, which is off to the right hand side here. Okay, it's the chart right in the middle with the blue bars, the blue bar graph there. Examine the following bar graph that shows budgeted monthly utility expenses for a 1-year period. In which months was the same amount budgeted? Okay, so you have to look, where are the bars the same height? So for example, you have January is at 800, you have July at 800, and you have December at 800. You have February at 700, October and November also at 700. You have March at 600, June at 600, and September at 600. All the rest, you also have April and May are at 400. Alright, so that's where all the matching heights of the bars come into play. What is the total amount budgeted for utilities? So you're going to add up all of your costs. So for example, January, July, and December were at $800. There are 3 months, so 800 times 3. You have February, October, November at you have February, October, November at 700, so you're going to multiply that by 3. Let me fix that there. So 700 times 3. You have March, June, September at 600 times 3. And you have April, May at 400 times 2. And then that last leftover is August, which is at 900 times 1. So you add up all those prices and those months, gives you $8,000 budgeted for utilities. What percent of the total yearly amount was budgeted for warm weather months, June through September? So you have June, July, August, and September. That's 4 months. So 600, 800, 900, 600 for each month. So June is 600, July 800, August 900, and September 600 divided by 8,000 gives you 0.3625 or 36.25%. Between which months was there a 100% increase in the amounts budgeted for utilities? Well, you have April, May is $400. You have January, July, and December at $800. So a 100% increase would be from $400 to $800. Okay. And part E, at the end of December in the year shown, the homeowners replaced their furnace with a more energy efficient one. They were told that they could decrease the utility budget for the upcoming month of January by 20% from the previous January amount. How much will they budget for the utilities in January? So 800 times 0.80 is $640 budgeted. You could also do 800 times 0.20, which will give you 160, and then do 800 minus 160 gives you 640 as well. So you have 2 options to kind of work through that one. And that is it for section 11.3.